Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel, where we help you become a design master using Canva. If you're promoting a theater production or any event, having a striking poster is crucial. In today's video, I'll show you how to design an eye-catching theater poster using Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete beginner, this tutorial will help you create a poster that grabs attention and sets the stage for success. Choose the right template. First things first, open Canva and search for Theater Poster in the template search bar. Canva offers a variety of professionally designed templates that are perfect for theatrical events. Browse through the options and select one that matches the mood and theme of your production. Remember, your poster should reflect the tone of the show, whether it's dramatic, comedic, or musical. Customize the text. Now that you have your template, it's time to personalize it. Click on the text boxes to edit the title, date, time, and location of your event. Make sure the title of the play stands out. Use a bold and dramatic font that captures the essence of your production. Canva has a vast selection of fonts, so feel free to experiment until you find the perfect one. Also, ensure that the details like time and venue are clear and easy to read. Add visual elements. A great theater poster isn't just about text, it's about visuals too. To enhance your design, you can add relevant images or illustrations. Canva's library has a wide range of elements, from stage curtains to spotlight graphics, which can add that theatrical flair to your poster. You can also upload your own images if you have specific photos or artwork related to the play. Play with colors. Color is key in setting the mood of your poster. Use Canva's color palette tool to match your poster's colors to the theme of your play. For instance, a mystery play might benefit from darker, more muted tones, while a comedy could use bright and vibrant colors. Be sure to maintain consistency throughout the poster for a cohesive and professional look. Final touches and download. Once you're happy with the design, take a moment to review everything. Check for typos, ensure that all information is correct, and make sure the design is visually balanced. If everything looks good, it's time to download your poster. Canva allows you to download your design in various formats like PNG, JPEG, or PDF. Choose the one that suits your printing or digital sharing needs. And there you have it, your very own theater poster, ready to captivate an audience. Designing with Canva is all about creativity and ease, so don't be afraid to experiment with different designs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.